Harold, you didn't eat breakfast again. You gotta eat breakfast.
I don't eat breakfast because your food tastes like crap! I'd rather go without breakfast than eat that crap!
What?
Why can't you be more like my mom?
I know your mom is good at cooking, but I'm trying. I even went to cooking school. Am I really that bad?
Yeah, your cooking is garbage!
Stop being mean.
I'm not, it's the truth! Your food tastes like shit!
What's your problem?
Whatever! If you got a problem with me, learn to cook better!
I can't take this anymore. Hello, Joyce. Can we talk? Hey, Allie. Is this about Harold? Yes. He texted me during lunch saying he was coming home for the weekend. He just finished eating. He's in the shower right now. I think he's planning to stay here until Monday. Is everything okay? You can tell me anything, dear. I want to help. Okay. Well, Harold, I think he has a problem with my cooking. Your cooking? Seriously? Yes. He's complaining about your cooking? Yes. Why though? You're a good chef. Thank you. What's his problem? No idea. I got an idea. Let's test him. Test him? Yeah. We'll get to the bottom of this. Okay. I'll go to your house tomorrow. I'll explain the details then. Okay.
Joyce! I'm back!
You know what time it is? You stayed with your mom this weekend?
Yeah, she's such a good chef! I didn't expect you to be like her, but you gotta step it up!
Oh, I see. It was that good, huh?
Oh yeah! The pork chops she made were delicious! She even packed me lunch today! It was delicious!
Ah, good.
What does that mean?
Nothing.
You're jealous, aren't you?
Shut up! What's wrong with you, Harold?
Huh? What the? Mom?
Yes.
What? What the?
Joyce told me everything. How dare you talk to her like that?
But it's her fault! Her cooking is terrible!
Is that so?
Huh?
That's not what you said earlier.
Huh?
The pork chops. Today's lunch. Joyce made them. All of it.
What?
Yeah. You couldn't tell the difference, huh? You're just being a jerk to her. You're unbelievable. You know that?
What? No,
What's wrong with you? She's your wife. You gotta treat her better than that, idiot.
But Dad did the exact same thing to you. I just wanted to be like him. You know, be the man of the house and all.
How dumb are you?
Huh?
I was a terrible cook back then.
Huh?
He said all those things because I told him I wanted honest feedback. I really wanted to improve my cooking, so I asked him for help. It took me years to improve my cooking. Dad was trying to help me.
Oh.
I guess I should have told you. But you're a grown man now. You know you can't treat your wife like this. If you keep this up, she'll leave you.
What? No!
Then stop being a jerk to her. You should be grateful for her. She's an amazing chef.
Okay.
Harold? It's me, Joyce.
I'm sorry. I was just being a jerk.
Okay. So, you'll start eating breakfast?
Yes! I'm really sorry. And, Thank you.
Okay,
I'm sorry. I really am.
it's okay. Now, come home.
On my way!
He came home a few minutes later. As soon as he walked in, he got down on the floor and apologized to us both. But his mom wasn't done with him. She yelled at him for hours. After that, he even agreed to help me with some of the housework. The next morning, he ate breakfast before leaving for work. He even said thank you. He was like a completely different person now. Glad everything worked out.